Hey, what's up everybody? This is Lo and we're gonna bake some headlights today. This is one of my first videos for spider mods. I've been doing them for so many damn years but never recorded myself. So this is another mod that I've done before. Last time I opened mine it was to do the angel eyes rings. You can see here. And now one out of the four works. Everything else is broken. So they're very unreliable, and it was cool for a second. Good experience. I also painted these as well. As you can see, certain areas are black, certain areas are still chrome. And when I put those headlights back in, I think I lost one of these rubber dust boots, and never put it in, and now there's dirt inside the headlight, and water gets in when it rains. You see that? So how you get ready is preheat the oven to on mine the minimum is 260, and just let it warm up for a little bit. Get a piece of cardboard and lay it down in the bottom rack, just so that when you put the headlights in, you know, the rack actually doesn't melt the plastic. Time to put in the lights. It's been warming up for a few minutes. We'll open that. Just grab them and pop it in like so, and just don't let it touch anything else, and set a timer on my phone for like 1 or 2 minutes. What you're basically going to do is pry these hooks and slowly pry along this edge. One thing I forgot to mention about these headlights is this screw right here. You have to take that out, and that's the only screw that you need to take out before removing the lens. Hey, we got it halfway open here, as you can see. So I just gotta crack the rest. You can see it's kind of pliable. It's a little cooled down now, but right out the oven, this is a lot more pliable. And I got them open. Just be careful of these. This is a different plastic than this. These are more pliable, but this can actually break easily, even when it's heated up. So be careful. But luckily, there's only two, one here and one here corresponding to this and this. So As you can see, it actually still looks kind of nice in there. You see some dirt and water settled in. You might want to be careful on this side. You can see some of the glue got on this, but this is not a section that is seen. This is what you're worried about, and some dirt there. So I'm just gonna clean this up, and you can also try to rub some of the dirt away and clean that up, or cut it off, like something like that, and and then put it back together. So I just did a quick wipe down. I'm not really gonna wash this like I did the lenses, but these still look really good. Little chip in paint right there, but yeah, still looks good to me. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna leave these in because I drilled holes in there. So if I took those out, you'll see the hoses. So I'll just leave those there. Holes. You see this one? It's a little dirty. So yeah, I'm just gonna wipe it down. I got some spider cracks in my spider headlights. There you go. So yeah, this is you can't do anything about those, but I'm still going to sand the exterior and do a few coats of Spray Max 2K, which seems to be a really good product for something like this. The headlights are 3 pieces. You got the lens, you got the center section, I guess it's just an aesthetic section, and then you have the bowl, projector, and turn signal. Yeah. So these can be put together. Let's see. Let's put it on top. It's 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. So everything's all cleaned up, put back together. I just want to show you guys these little foam half circles and these caps. They go into 3 locations, here, here, and here, which is to let out moisture inside the headlight. People think headlights need to be sealed airtight completely, which is not the case. They actually need moisture transfer so that it doesn't develop moisture inside the headlight. It needs to escape. So check those. Usually they might be blocked by spider webs. When I took these 3 out, there was a whole bunch of spider web stuff in there, so that kind of blocks it. So periodically, if you're taking your headlights apart or off the car, just check these and clean them out. Alright, so it's been baking at 300 for about a few minutes, and we're just going to try to push it together with some gloves. It might take a few tries, but it's already coming together pretty good. Alright, let's put it back in. Alright, so the first one's done. Just want to take a look. Make sure you clip those in. Make sure you do all the clips. As you can see, that one and the one up top, and that's it. So this should be good to go.